Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 35A Joy Lane. Of course, Joy Lane is in one of Whitstables' most prestigious areas, and you'll be able to walk to the seafront in just a few moments from here. Now, as we come through the front door, you're going to see exactly what this property offers. It is a fantastic size. Of course, it's 4 bedrooms here, and it's got a very nice, clean and sleek modern approach to the way that it's been built, and now offers you an amazing lifestyle option in a beautiful location. So of course we come straight through and we take a look at the kitchen area here at the back, and it is wonderful. You've got that brand new modern fitted kitchen there, and you've got that lovely island there as well. So this is a really nice family area, an area that you can have friends and family over and really enjoy. And of course you can look over the rear garden there through that lovely big window. And the garden here is a really good size, and we'll go out inside and take a look at that in a few moments. But of course, as you can see, the kitchen here with all fully fitted appliances, it's a fantastic space. And as we look back into the lounge just over there, of course you can see that lovely big open fireplace as well, so it's well worth making the most out of that when you can. Of course, with a property of this size, you've got to have a utility room, and you've got it here. Of course, you've got that lovely access point there through to the side and into the rear garden. Makes things nice and easy if you've got dogs. Of course, you can see here the lovely bifolding doors opening up onto that rear garden. Again, really good size, that garden, and you've got that fireplace there as well. But this is a wonderful lounge area, and it's been finished absolutely immaculately. A lot of care, thought and attention has gone into creating this amazing space. And this hallway, we didn't touch on it at the beginning, but this hallway is a wonderful size. Here we are in one of the bedrooms on the ground floor. Of course, you can see it's a nice double size. You've got that lovely big window at the front there overlooking the front driveway. Big driveway space out as well. Plenty of parking there. And again, you can see there's plenty of space here. You've got plenty of plug sockets as well. And this is the first of the 2 ground floor bedrooms. So we'll come across the hallway here and take a look in the second bedroom on the ground floor, and again you can see it's a lovely size, and you've of course got that lovely open wardrobe there as well, that nice little dressing room wardrobe area there too, which is brilliant. Again, on the ground level, you've got this lovely modern shower room here, nice clean and modern space. But of course, you've got the upstairs en suites that we're going to take a look at in a minute. But it's, again, nice to have this downstairs shower room to service those 2 ground floor bedrooms. We'll make our way upstairs now, where we'll be able to show you the 2 bedrooms up here. Of course, we've got the master bedroom at the back and bedroom number 2 at the front, and we'll turn around in a second and you can have a good look at that lovely Velux window there, again just letting plenty of light come through and flood down into the hallway. So of course, here in bedroom 2, you've got that lovely big pointed picture window there at the front, and it's again a really good size. It's easily a double room. You've got plenty of plug sockets in here, and just through that door there is the ensuite as well, and you've of course got those fitted wardrobes in the corner too. Let's go through now and take a look at the master bedroom, and it is a gorgeous space. You've got those 2 lovely big Velux windows there on the left, Got those lovely French doors leading out onto your really nice private balcony, but you've got a whacking great amount of storage space in the form of that walk-in dressing area there, and the ensuite here. Again, like bedroom 2, very luxurious, very nice with the clawfoot bath there, and really nice his and hers sink unit there as well. And of course, you've got that lovely Velux window as well. It's a very luxurious space, nice big ensuite. You don't usually get ensuites this large, and it's a wonderful, wonderful surprise. Let's take a look on the balcony and see what sort of view you've got out here, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go down into the garden and take a good look at what is on offer down there. So as you can see in the rear garden, it's a lovely, lovely size, and you've got that nice covered patio area there as well. It's perfect for al fresco dining and having friends and family over. It's a wonderful, wonderful space. And we'll recap on a few points here as we take a look back at the property. Of course, you've got extensive off-road parking to the front here, so parking is certainly no problem. And it's nice that you can take a short walk into Whitstable and down to the seafront, leave the car at home, take a walk down to the seafront and into Whitstable. It's a wonderful, wonderful location, and the property itself offers just over 2,000 square feet of living accommodation. Please do give us a call to find out a little bit more about this wonderful property.